As the Lok Sabha election draws near, campaigning for the upcoming polls in both the constituencies, Shillong and Tura, is at a feverish pitch, even as candidates are trying to best to woo voters and garner their support. DD News spoke to a few voters in Bhoi district to understand their perception about their upcoming polls and to get their views on the kind of representatives they would like to represent the state and its people in the parliament. It may be mentioned that both Shillong and Tura will vote on April 19th along with 101 other constituencies in the first phase. Altogether, 10 candidates are in fray for the 2 seats in Meghalaya.
Pun hari ki MP ki peladap ki MP Kim Ju Peni yang kata skim ayu ke badan lana ka ekala le nak liang ki MP nangya shimet hi ki kwa ba ki kandidat lana lana ka kandidat kaban yale ya ketika election Lok Sabha bakin don ya kata ka jingkit kli bakin pej yang ki kun samla kam tam bangi dula ka kam ka jam
kedai ka kabo yang bangin jit kinong nikmat di bastan om bangin jit ki parti nak ba kadu di beri bastan in kam banjit pagoro pa nak pa di sim ka pendon kam ya ko hak sangki papin vote ki beri bastan
ngapet nya kawi ka parti ka kam klet ngapet nya kawi ka kam klet de ngim nang man ong ngim sia pet ka ketika si vote kalong gumno lung majing so jong ate baju long hi kiwe ma bangin pe ya uno breu bape ka imlang kasalang bape kari bejai benrio.
A 3-year-old boy identified as